Here are the top 5 countries where you can study and migrate for under 500,000 pesos. And wait until the end because number 5 will shock you dahil konti lang ang may alam nito. At number 1 is Poland. It's a super hot destination ngayon at makakapag-master's degree ka na for only 160,000 pesos depending on the scholarship that you will receive. It's quality education at a very steal price. Number 2 is Malta. It's also an English-speaking country in Europe na may 800 euro minimum wage at master's program at only 300,000 pesos. Number 3 is our crowd favorite, Germany. It's the country with the highest minimum wage in the entire Europe and offers 1-year master's program for only 450,000 pesos. Kaya napakasikat nito ngayon sa mga clients namin. At number 4 is Australia. Akala mo mahal, pero may bachelors pa din dito for as low as 400,000 pesos per year. Yes, madaming nagbagong policies, but you can still find these tuition fees in select reputable private colleges. And number 5, at the end of our list is Canada. Dito may private colleges na nag-offer ng diploma programs for only 250,000 pesos per year. Tama, walang post-graduation work visa. Pero wait, may mga programs in demand na pwede kang masponsoran for work after you graduate. Kasama na din dito ang fields of health, STEM, and skilled trades. So ano, shoot na ba sa bulsa ang tuition fees? Leave a comment and we will call you for a free consultation.